Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick video on some air pressure relief valves that I'm going to be installing onto the Kuni's new beadlock rims. I'll just run you through basically how they work and what I use them for. And if you want a set, they'll be up on our website later this month. So yeah, just hit us up if you have any questions. First thing, you've got your new or second-hand steel rim that you want to install the new valve on. So just obviously mark out somewhere on the inside lip here. I usually try to do it a bit further in on the dish so that it can get around it, can be cleaned out easily, and it's not going to be catched by any sticks and stuff like that, hopefully coming in from the outside. But they are pretty sturdy. So basically want to mark it out on the inside here and then center punch obviously somewhere on the flat face here where you want to drill through. Dish of the rim, make sure you're on the right side. I've just drilled the pilot hole and now I'm just going to start working my way up until roughly about a 16mm size hole. And when I got to 16, that's a perfect fit for the new valve to sit inside with no play. So that's how it should look on the side, like that, and then inside, that's how it's like that. Clean up the edges around here and just put some rust kill, just some primer around the edge of the hole, and yeah. So it's got a bit of zinc black in a tub and just putting around the edge of the hole just to stop it rusting if water gets around there. You obviously don't want it rusting out into your rim. So last bit, just before I done installation, I just put a little bit of silicone grease around the rubber part, just to keep it from ripping or anything like that. So sweet, just put it straight through. Washer on, locking nut. So just used a universal Allen key and spanner to tighten it down. I've done it pretty firm because obviously once the tyre's on you won't have access to this back side, you only have the locking nut. Cool, this is how it looks now, fully installed. That's the back side. You can obviously see a bit of the silicone grease has come out, but that's how it fully looks. There's two parts to this valve. Obviously this is the first piece that screws right out. You can see straight through into the inside there. There's a small O-ring on the bottom there. It still has the normal fitting on the top here that you can use for filling up the tyre, or if you still want to deflate it through that fitting there, it's fine. Just add over 30 psi. These are a 35-inch Cymex by 12.5 on a 15-inch rim, 10-inch wide. These valves have been running on the Kuni's rims for years now. I haven't had any issues with them leaking or getting broken off. As you can see, it's now less than 2 psi on the gauge in that short time.